Hello guys, today we are working on this Frigidaire oven. Might seem like it's a double oven, but it's just a single oven. And the problem we having today is that the igniter is not coming on. Pretty much it's not working. We press bake, it never heat up, so we're about to find out what's wrong with it. First of all, we're gonna remove this cover and put it somewhere in here. After that, there's a small screw in here that we have to remove, and then we lift this piece off. Once we have this open, we can see that the igniter is in this location. So the igniter has two screws in the corner, so we're just gonna remove those screws. Once we remove the screws from the igniter, we're gonna grab our ball pin to just make sure the computer board it is sending power to the igniter. So we just gotta wait a little bit until it clicks, and it is getting power. So that let us know that the computer board is doing what it's supposed to do, which is send power to the igniter. And like we can see, the igniter is not broken, but it's just not coming on. So, and I already left it on for a while, and it's still not doing anything. So, but we make sure that it's getting power by putting our ball pin. So we're gonna replace the igniter at this point to see if what difference we make, which I'm pretty sure that will fix the problem. Okay, we got a new igniter. This is the one that we're gonna use, and this is the part number, just in case you guys want to see it. It's a Frigidaire igniter for a Frigidaire oven. So the wire can't wait too long because it wants you to adjust it the way you want it. But once you adjust it, you guys gotta put this walnut, which is the ceramic ones. You guys want to put this unit because this one, when they heat up, nothing will happen. But if you use the regular walnuts, which is the plastic ones, they are gonna melt. So don't use this one. Even though you have this one, you want to use the one that they come in the box. Okay. Alrighty guys, so we have already connected the wires. This is pretty much how it looks. What we're gonna do is just throw all the wires to the back section. Sorry, I cannot do it right now because I'm recording. But I'm gonna throw it on the back and just connect the screws that were on the side of the unit and put it back on, and then test the unit. And okay, the igniter is already mounting. This is the old igniter back. So what we're gonna do is just now test it by turning it on and make sure it's working. And like we can see now, guys, ignite is already glowing. Ooh, it's coming up perfect. So we just gotta make sure flame is gonna come on. Just turn off the light, see better. Just remove this guy from here. And perfect. Flame already came on. So we know that the igniter was the problem all this time. So now it's gonna heat up perfect. So now we're just gonna put everything back and it'll be all set. So this igniter was the problem. Even though it's not broken, some reason it wasn't coming on. Because normally when this doesn't come on, every time we replace it, we see that the igniter is broken. But this igniter is not broken, but it wasn't coming on. But the reason why we replaced is because we did check with our ball pin that it was sending power to the cord, but it was just not coming on. If we would have put the pin into the cord at the beginning, and the pin would have not let me know that it wasn't getting no power from the computer board, then in that case we replaced the computer board instead. Not the igniter, because we know that the igniter wasn't coming on because it wasn't getting power. But in this case, we did check the voltage with the ball pen, and we find out that yeah, it was getting power, so that's why we replaced the igniter. and yeah, that fix the problem for sure. So we just got to put everything back, and this repair will be all set. Just like that, this unit is now complete. Everything is all put back. If you have any questions, leave your comment below, and don't forget to subscribe.